Monopoly today? Yeah, let's play Monopoly. Oh no, Mr. Monopoly, this costs too much money. Well, kid, you know, when you play Monopoly, you gotta spend money, you know. But I don't have any money. You have to take some out of the bank. Where's the bank? Say, take the Santa Road, and then you go on Belmont, and then you go straight, and you'll be there. I don't know where that is. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Where's that? Left, right, left, right, left, right. Ah, see that? Look, I have some extra money here. You can take it, buy the property, and you know. You're my idol. Yeah, okay, kid. Hey, I want your autograph. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, okay. No, it's not your autograph. Do it again. God, this kid is free. No, it's not your autograph. This kid's like crazy. Kid, last time, bro. Whoa! Whoa. Okay, here you go. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I don't like you anymore! You give me an autograph! Okay, I'm dead. Oh, Mr. Monopoly's dead, so he's not here anymore, so I can't play Monopoly anymore. The end. But I have no money. Well, then you have to go to the bank and get some. Oh my god. This is the dumbest thing you've ever done. Yeah, but Mr. Monopoly, dummy. Jeez, not Mr.